Hi, I'm Ethan,
And I'm Alyssa.
and today we'll be your CPAP guides as we take a look at one of our favorite machines, ResMed's AirSense 10 AutoSet.
The AirSense 10 is a tried and true sleep apnea solution that's helped millions of people reclaim their energy, lives, and sleep. Let's take a look at what makes this machine so special.
As an auto CPAP, this machine works by analyzing each breath and delivering the lowest pressure setting necessary to prevent sleep apnea. This makes it easier to breathe with your CPAP machine, especially during cold and flu or allergy season.
To eliminate the feeling of choking on air, the AirSense 10 also includes expiratory pressure relief, or EPR for short. When EPR is turned on, the machine automatically senses when you exhale and slightly lowers the air pressure until you breathe in. This makes it easier to breathe a little more naturally.
The ramp function is another factor that really makes a difference when you're transitioning into CPAP therapy. This feature makes it easier to fall asleep while using your AirSense 10 because it starts the machine at a lower pressure level and then gently increases to your prescribed setting as you ease into sleep.
Lastly, the AirSense 10 prevents sore throat, congestion, and dryness with a built-in heated humidifier and heated tubing. The heated hose allows you to precisely control the air temperature and moisture level for consistent comfort in any climate. Effective therapy and comfort go hand in hand, which is why this machine is full of features that make it easier to stick with CPAP therapy long term.
There are a lot of things that make the AirSense 10 great, but our favorite feature is actually the myAir Therapy companion app. Research shows that people who use the myAir app are almost 18% more likely to use their CPAP machines on a regular basis.
As you adjust to therapy, myAir will help you learn how to effectively use your AirSense 10. It also features a coaching library stocked with videos about your machine, mask, and general information about CPAP therapy itself.
The app is designed to help you overcome challenges and provide solutions for common complaints. You'll find resources to help you navigate your therapy experience, encouraging you to set healthy expectations around what CPAP can do for you, regardless of where you are in your therapy journey.
The AirSense 10 supports you through each stage of CPAP therapy, keeping you informed with valuable insights into your progress and empowering you to take control of your sleep health. With the AirSense 10, you receive a daily summary following each therapy session. These details can be found within the myAir app and directly on the machine itself.
The machine's sleep report is updated daily with your CPAP usage, pressure settings, air leaks, and sleep apnea events. These stats are then used to create a detailed therapy log and personalized myAir score. Checking the myAir app each day can help you identify areas for improvement and keep track of your therapy progress over time.
On average, people who track their therapy through the myAir app enjoy an extra hour of sleep every night. This isn't just because they're more engaged with their therapy, but because their doctors are too.
This machine lets you share usage reports and therapy progress with your healthcare provider in a number of ways. The AirSense 10 can be set to automatically send compliance data to ResMed's AirView service, or you can choose to provide that information directly with an SD card. Additionally, you can manually share your sleep therapy report from within the myAir app.
The AirSense 10 is currently one of the most popular machines on the market, and for good reason. It is designed to provide effective but comfortable therapy for real results you can actually feel. Thanks to its many features and helpful companion app, the machine manages to combine advanced technology with a user-friendly experience.
One of our favorite examples of this is the auto start function, which automatically begins therapy when you put on your mask and take a breath. It's also exceptionally quiet and won't disturb you or your bed partner, even at its highest pressure setting. While using the companion app isn't required, it does offer valuable insights into your progress as well as solutions to common challenges. Paired with the AirSense 10's impressive list of comfort features, the myAir app encourages you to actually keep using your machine so you can rest easy knowing your sleep apnea is under control.
We truly believe that anyone can use this device. So if you're looking for a tried and true CPAP machine with a solid reputation and tons of happy reviews, the AirSense 10 is the one for you.